welcome back to another vlog. I've got nice beach sounds in the background which you might be able to hear, which I hope is relaxing. So today is Friday. I haven't had the best this week. I did a little podcast on Patreon where I spoke a little bit more about like behind the scenes of my business and how it is. And I don't know, there's a lot of other factors that probably went into my mood as well, but like I just didn't feel the motivation to do anything. I didn't get a lot done. But today I'm feeling a bit better now. So I've just planned out my day a little bit. I need to do a step-by-step illustration, which is like a tutorial type of thing for Patreon, and a sticker sheet for my shop. I'm working on a Christmas design. Let me show you. I need to turn my iPad on. Oh, and like I put my little sticker on my iPad. Looks really cute. Just started pouring down the rain out there again. This is the Christmas design. And this is the sticker sheet that I've been working on. So this is the line art currently. I'm not sure if you can see that very well, but it's like I basically went for like cozy vibes, Christmas. So I just drew a bunch of little things that gave me those cozy vibes. And added a couple of little hearts and stars around as little extra stickers. I've only ever made 2 sticker sheets before. This was my first ever try for a sticker sheet, which isn't actually available in my shop because this was just like a test. Although now I look back at it, I do quite like it. These 2 are currently in my shop. So I've got like just loads of fruit and then summer fruits with those ones on. So yeah. Oh, and then I need to send an invoice and contract today. If you watched my last vlog, I was waiting to start a children's book with a client, but it's been a little bit of a delay in kind of getting started with it. So I'm going to do that in a minute, get that done. Oh, and then I want to meditate. Actually, I might do the meditation first. Anyway. So I'm just about to publish the step-by-step. That bath was so nice. I haven't had a bath in years, and yeah, it was just so relaxing and nice. I need to do that more often because I just don't do any self-care these days like I used to, and I really miss it. Like, it's something that I really enjoy, and I've really gotten out of the routine of it. So I actually forgot to take my tea in with me, so I've got my tea here now. So I'm gonna do some like yoga bedtime stretching, just find a video on YouTube and do that, and then I'm gonna continue reading my book, which is this one at the moment. I actually wasn't getting into it like the first chapter, but I actually really like it now, and I'm quite addicted. And I'm just about to upload a illustration to my Instagram because I was meant to do that at 9 o'clock and I was just getting in the bath, so I totally forgot. It's actually a drawing I did before, but I just changed the colours of like her outfit, so it's all pink and the carpet's pink now, and I put like a blue background. So yeah, I really like it. Like, it's a bit hard to see on this camera in this light, but you can go to actually I've just put a picture here. Actually, it's much better. That's what it looks like now. This is the before, this is the after. Look how nice my studio looks in the morning with the sun shining in. And I've also got one of those like beautiful scene kind of videos playing. And it's a beautiful day. It's actually really warm out there. I'm just about to watch this girl who I've just found on YouTube. Her name is Shayla Quinn. You should check a little bit. You should check her out. She also has a podcast which I enjoy listening to. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat my breakfast. I ran out of strawberries, so I'm just having All Bran. I used almond milk today, but I don't know if you can see that it's like gone all curdled. It always does that, and I haven't used it for ages. I always use oat milk now, and I much prefer oat milk. That's like my favourite. Now I haven't had almond milk in so long. Oat milk tastes so much better. Does anyone else agree? Like, do you like almond milk or oat milk? So I just decided to paint my nails. I haven't used this for like over a year actually, and it was really gloopy, so on my left hand the nail varnish has like glooped into the side, into my cuticle, so it hasn't come out the best, but from afar it looks pretty and I love the colour. And I love that they're just like dried instantly after you've used this little UV light. And yeah, I also just want to shout out to Cherry or Cherie, I'm not sure how you would pronounce it. She's just joined my Patreon today, so I just wanted to give a shout out and say thank you so much for joining. So I've just decided that I think I'm going to share my sticker sheet process a little bit more, and printing it and all that in the next vlog, because it's already 2 o'clock. I'm getting a headache and it's Saturday, so I don't want to have to stress on trying to get that all finished. It's like taking me quite a while. But I'm going to actually give Cookie a bath now and try and give him a bit of a haircut again. But yeah, if you want to see a little work in progress shot of my colours that I've chosen for my sticker sheet, I have just shared that to Patreon as well. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this vlog. I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and check all my links out below if you want to see my shop or anything else. I'll chat soon. Bye!